हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार। In continuation of vitamin B complex, third vitamin is vitamin B3 or niacin or nicotinic acid or niacin. Niacin is pyridine 3 carboxylic acid. Niacin is pyridine 3 carboxylic acid. It is present in tissues as niacin amide. It is present in tissue as niacin amide or nicotinamide or niacin amide. Source of this niacin or vitamin B3 is yeast, liver, fish, milk, peanut and legumes. So yeast, liver, fish, meat, peanuts and legumes are the source of niacin or vitamin B3. Structure: active forms NAD and NADP. RDA recommended daily allowance in adult is 15 to 20 milligram per day. 15 to 20 milligram per day. Children 10 to 20 milligram per day. Functions of niacin is: niacin in the form of nicotinamide is incorporated into the structure of NAD and NADP ion. NAD and NADP have oxidoreductase activity in metabolic process. NAD ion and NADP ion have oxidoreductase activity in metabolic process. They are important component of carbohydrates, protein and lipid metabolism. Niacin is important component of carbohydrate, protein and lipid metabolism. NAD ion also seems to play an important role in DNA repair and other cellular responses to DNA damage. Deficiency: disease is pellagra. Deficiency of niacin causes pellagra, a disease involving the skin, GIT, central nervous system. पेलेग्रा में स्किन, GIT एंड सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है. द सिम्टम्स ऑफ पेलाग्रा आर कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय 3 dermatitis. Prevention: pellagra can be prevented by enrichment of maize meal and bread with niacin. Pellagra can be prevented by enrichment of maize meal and bread and with niacin. This is about niacin. Source: recommended dietary allowance, functions, deficiency and disease. This is short vitamin and lesser use. It available in market generally as a B complex. Thank you. like, share and subscribe my channel.